Hi guys, in this video we're going to go over the steps that we follow in order to set up your iContact action automation for workflows. One of our workflow apps that you're about to install within your agency and connect to your iContact platform and more importantly execute actions directly from your workflow. Let's get started. From your agency view, you go at the app marketplace, you search for the app iContact. There you go, you click on it, you go at install. We select the sub account where we want the tool to be installed. Sub account 1, we continue. We go at allow and install. You choose the plan. We confirm the plan. You automatically open this new window in order to copy the custom menu link URL. You click here, you make sure it's copied, and then you switch back to the agency view in order to create a custom menu link. Remember that you do this operation only once. This is your first time installing one of our app within your agency. So let's create a custom menu link. We come here at settings, custom menu links. We go on create new. We fill this form. We start by selecting an icon for our custom menu link. We have different icons here. When you're done, you come here, you type a name for your custom menu link. How do you want to name your custom menu link? When you're done, you come here and you paste the custom menu link URL that you copied. You scroll down, you choose an account or sub account. You want all your tools to be available. You can go for sub account 1. And here you can decide whether you want to give access to a user or to all users access to all the information. And when you're done, you make sure you save. The next step is to switch to sub account in order to get a tool connected to iContact platform. Remember when I mentioned that you have to name your custom menu link? Actually, we decided to name our custom menu link Greg app. So you make sure the name you gave to your custom menu link pops up here. So we will go on Greg app. We have apps available and connected apps. So let's search for iContact. Doesn't pop up here, it means it's already connected. There you go, we have eye contact. And now, how do we set up eye contact inside the eye contact platform? You just have to go at setup. And we have some credentials to provide in order to get the installation going. But before we go any further though, you can read how to get your credentials. Actually, if you click on it, it will lead you to a smart queue guiding you how to get those keys. But let's do it together. We're going to switch to our eye contact platform in order to get all those keys. Here down we go at settings and then we scroll down at the icon like integrations. We go at custom integrations and we go on create. Have the application ID here. We copy, drag, paste. We can copy the API username. Now we go and copy the API password. Paste. Now we go on and get the account ID and the client ID. Scroll down. We have the account ID here. Go and get the client ID. Here it is. Paste, and we submit. Bingo. Now the tool is already connected to our platform and we're ready to execute actions directly from the workflow for our iContact platform. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who is also available 24/7 to answer to your questions. If you like this video at some point, don't forget to give some thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to hit our subscribe button. And thank you for watching.